All right, we're sitting in a 2006 Hyundai Sonata, and I got this car, and like a lot of these years, uh, the visor just won't stay up, and especially when you're driving, it just comes down. And this is a kind of known problem, but they didn't put a recall on it. Although I would think when I'm driving, and this happens on the driver's side, I'm on the passenger side right now. But if you're driving and the sun visor just falls down in your face, I don't think that's a good idea. And I really think Hyundai should have did a recall on this because that's not a good deal. But anyway, so I have purchased a replacement one. It says it's a genuine parts. I hope it doesn't have the same issue. I hope they corrected it and it doesn't break within a year like this one did. At least that's what the previous owner told me. So I'm going to try to replace it here. I haven't done this before. You'll see, yeah, I can pry this off. The new one has, let me open it here, has some screw holes. It looks like there's a cover plate on this. So let's see if we can pop that off. Get a screwdriver under there. Yeah, it came off easy. Pops off pretty nice. Slides out of the way. So this you retain, that you don't get a new one of these. It's just a standard Phillips head screws. So let me loosen these up. Easy, nice, smooth. That's interesting how the tip of the screw head's pointy. Okay. Now there's a wire that supports this mirror light, the beauty light, or whatever you want to call it. And we gotta be careful with that. So I'm taking it out. What do we got here? There's the connector. You push on this button and it slides out. There's some goop on there I got on my hands. I don't know, they have a foam sort of thing around this part to keep it from rattling, I guess, when you're driving. The new one, here's the new one, has that as well, so that's a good thing. So we'll just pop it back together here. Clicks right in, just tuck it out of the way. There's this tab here, which I guess holds it in from sliding in too far. So grab the screws. And just get them started here. Yeah. Screwing it in pretty snug, but not like cranking it down. And put the beauty clip back on, and that just snaps in place. So I think we're good. Let's make sure that the light works. Excellent. That's all there is to it. So pretty simple. Found this on Amazon. Here's the part numbers if you're interested. They didn't have very many of them. I think I got the last one. For now, maybe they'll get replacement ones in. I don't know. The description on Amazon is this. Let me flip it over here for you. New genuine 2006 to 2008 Hyundai. It's for Sonata or whatever. Side gray with sunroof. Whatever that means. Maybe they mean with mirror. I don't know. Anyway, good luck if you can find it yourself. But this is going to be a lot better than it hanging down in my face. So.